It's a brand new F-350 XL diesel, regular cab chassis. Let's do a little walk around, check out the upfits. Let's go look at the factory spec sheet first. Uh-oh. Here's just 23 F-350 dually, 4x4 regular cab in black. Here's the factory options. 6.7 diesel, the 410 limited slip axle, platform running boards, 14,000 gross vehicle weight rating package, skid plates, the 120 volt 400 watt outlet, the fire rescue prep specific emissions, the 410 amp alternator, you get a spare wheel and tire, center high mount stop lamp, you get a jack, a 40-gallon fuel tank, exterior backup alarm, the dual battery setup, and the rear view camera prep kit. MSRP on the cab chassis before the body was $65,470. Let's check out the inside. You get the nice 8-inch screen, lightning USB 12 volt, AC 120 volt 400 watt. You get your built-in trailer brake control, your different drive modes, 4-wheel drive. You have your upfitter switches, easy to tie in anything there. Of course, you got your split bench seat. That drops down, you got your cup holders there, put documents here, put up, split up, you get a little document or gun pocket to hide stuff there. Let's go check out the back. Your platform running boards, your Bedrock body, your toolboxes, little shelf there. Of course, these are locking. Some off-road tires, got a toolbox here. Recessed LED lights for the rear. See, she's a Bedrock body. Diesel. Here's your hideaway gooseneck. Your spare, your headache rack with LEDs. Another toolbox over here. Of course, locking. Running boards, off-road tires, heavy duty steel brush guard on this thing, the front hitch option. Got the roof marker lights up top. Of course, we got the same identical unit here, just slightly different bed. As you can see, this one does not have the larger toolbox like that one does. Just a little locking toolbox here. These are both available for purchase. You can reach me at 404-729-1374, call or text, or email at RossNewFord@gmail.com. We are in Atlanta. I can put these units or anything else on a flatbed, send it anywhere in the country. Or if you want to pick her up in person, I'll have somebody get you at the airport and you can drive her home.